Today, we're showcasing the best home devices for men in 2023. From smart gadgets to cutting-edge solutions, we've got you covered. Stick around to upgrade your living space. Hit subscribe, and let's dive in. In our lineup of the best home devices for men in 2023, the HOmeLabs Beverage refrigerator and cooler takes the 5th spot, and for a good reason. This sleek and stylish appliance is a game-changer for anyone who loves keeping their beverages perfectly chilled. With a capacity to hold up to 120 standard cans or 60 bottles, it offers ample space for your favorite drinks, whether it's craft beers, sodas, or sparkling water. The adjustable temperature settings allow you to customize the cooling to your preference, ensuring your beverages are always at the ideal temperature. The glass door is not only aesthetically pleasing, but also provides a clear view of your drink collection without the need to open the fridge, keeping the cold air in. Plus, its quiet and energy-efficient operation won't disrupt your living space. Whether you're hosting a game night, a barbecue, or just unwinding after a long day, the HOmeLabs Beverage refrigerator and cooler is the perfect addition to any man's home, keeping your drinks frosty and your gatherings enjoyable. Moving up on our list of the best home devices for men in 2023, we have the N-Gen Gaming Chair Ergonomic Office Chair claiming the 4th spot. This is not just your ordinary chair, it's a throne of comfort and versatility. Designed with gamers and tech enthusiasts in mind, this ergonomic masterpiece offers exceptional support during those intense gaming sessions or long work hours. It boasts a racing-style design with premium leather upholstery and generous padding for both the headrest and lumbar support, ensuring you stay comfortable even during extended use. What sets this chair apart is its adaptability. It can seamlessly transition from gaming mode to work mode thanks to its adjustable features, including recline angle, armrests, and height. Whether you're conquering virtual worlds or conquering your to-do list, the N-Gen gaming chair is built for performance and endurance, making it a must-have for the modern man's home office or gaming setup. Taking the 3rd spot on our list of the best home devices for men in 2023 is the VR headset MetaQuest 3 128GB. Virtual reality has evolved by leaps and bounds, and this headset is a testament to that advancement. It offers an immersive, mind-bending experience that's perfect for gaming, entertainment, or even productivity. With its upgraded hardware and a generous 128 GB of storage, you have ample room to explore a vast library of VR games and applications. What's truly remarkable is the wireless freedom it provides, allowing you to roam and interact in a virtual world without being tethered to a PC. The intuitive controls and exceptional tracking technology make your movements feel natural and responsive. Whether you're slashing through virtual foes, exploring distant galaxies, or collaborating in virtual meetings, the MetaQuest 3 is a gateway to new dimensions of entertainment and productivity, making it a remarkable addition to any tech-savvy man's home. Securing the 2nd spot on our list of the best home devices for men in 2023 are the Bose A30 Aviation headphones. These headphones are a true masterpiece of audio engineering and are not just for pilots. They offer an unparalleled listening experience, whether you're enjoying music, watching movies, or immersing yourself in a virtual world. What sets the Bose A30 apart is its renowned noise-canceling technology, which can drown out even the loudest of distractions, allowing you to enjoy your content with crystal clarity. The plush ear cushions and lightweight design ensure hours of comfort, making them ideal for long gaming sessions, work, or travel. These headphones also come equipped with Bluetooth connectivity, giving you the freedom to switch between devices seamlessly. When it comes to audio quality and comfort, the Bose A30 Aviation headphones are a top-notch choice for any man who values premium sound in his home setup. And now, taking the coveted #1 spot on our list of the best home devices for men in 2023 is the Samsung WLST70T soundbar. This sleek and powerful soundbar isn't just an audio upgrade, it's a transformation for your home entertainment. Samsung's audio expertise shines through in this premium offering, providing an immersive, cinematic experience right in the comfort of your own space. With 7, 1.4 channels and Dolby Atmos support, you'll feel every detail and dimension of your favorite movies and games. But it's not just about the sound. The HWLST70T's minimalist design blends seamlessly with any home decor. Its wall-mounted form factor and built-in Alexa make it not just a soundbar but also a smart home hub. And if you're a gamer, its compatibility with Q Symphony technology means you can enjoy synchronized audio with your Samsung QLED TV. This soundbar represents the pinnacle of home audio, making it the #1 must-have device for any man looking to elevate his home entertainment experience to new heights. In conclusion, these are the best home devices for men in 2023, each offering unique benefits for your daily more tech updates. Here's to a future filled with innovation and better living.